Welcome to the virtual open house. I am Mrs. Naomi Dunbar, the proud principal of Indian River High School. We appreciate your patience and understanding as we work through this virtual platform. There are wonderful things happening here. Indian River High School has been recognized as one of the best high schools in the United States by the U.S. News and World Report for 2020. Kudos to our students, to our staff, and to you as parents for your support. I want to thank my staff for devoting several evenings to distributing technology and instructional materials. At this time, I'd like to introduce you to my administrative team. The 9th grade administrator, Mr. Joppi. 10th grade administrator, Mr. Minchev. 11th grade administrator, Mrs. Bunch-Boney. The 12th grade administrator, Mr. Martinez. And the assistant principal of instruction, Dr. Harding. I would also like to introduce other key people in our school. Coach Little, Mrs. Woods, Coach Baum, and Coach Vaughn from our security team, Mrs. Williams, Mrs. Bachman, and Mrs. Booma from our clerical team, from our accounting department, Mrs. Edmonds, Mr. Gibbs and Mrs. Latham from our technical support team, Mrs. Jenkins and Nurse Walker from the health services team, and finally, Ms. Henry, Mrs. Mosley, and Ms. Jones from our media services team. Thank you for your support, and we are looking forward to a wonderful school year. If you are in need of assistance, please feel free to call the main office. And as always, Braves are who we are, Rise is what we do.
Good evening, Indian River High School family. To access our virtual open house, at the conclusion of this video, please click the link in the description to visit our school notebook, where you will find tabs for each subject. Following your student's schedule, first click on a subject tab and then click their teacher's name to view their welcome video and information about the course. Also on our school notebook, you will find information on the school counseling department and school administration. Thank you and enjoy the Indian River High School virtual open house.